From extremely frigid temperatures to congested workspaces, frontline workers are always pining after the best-mounted vehicle computers for their operations. Zebra's line of vehicle mount computers, the VC8300 and VC80x series, are suitable specifically for the warehouse, cold chain, and other supply chain environments. These rugged computers can withstand extreme temperatures, shocks, and vibrations, all while operating smoothly to get the job done right. The VC8300 comes with a keyboard to support green screen apps of today and Android to support the apps of tomorrow. The VC80x comes with programmable keys to simplify the most complex operations and includes a field-replaceable touchscreen that can be used with even the thickest gloves. Whether managing inventory, picking and packing shipments, or receiving work in process orders, these mounted computers will help vehicle operators complete tasks faster and more accurately than ever before. To learn more about the VC8300 and VC80x series, contact your Blue Star representative today.